it's likely that another civilization has come about somewhere in the galaxy, and could transmit radio signals, for example, like we do with our televisions or satellites, or traverse the whole galaxy. Like 10 billion years is a really long time, and 100 billion stars is a really big number. So the question is, why don't we see? Where are the aliens? Why have we not detected these other signals? And I don't think it's for a lack of looking, because a lot of effort is put into like SETI, so search for extraterrestrial intelligence. I don't know. There's a couple sort of depressing possibilities as to why we don't see any aliens, and one is that an intelligent civilization becomes unstable and is likely to destroy itself. I don't particularly like that. Another is maybe it's just really rare. Maybe, so the two possibilities are life has evolved to intelligence in the past, but it hasn't either lived as long to where we are now to be visible, or either decided not to be visible, maybe they just don't want to communicate, or maybe we are the first. I don't know, both possibilities are equally crazy.
I have a quick question about rocky exoplanets. Do they think that they're composed of the same silicate-based rocks as the Earth, and maybe it has the same type of iron core?
Yeah, so one of the diagrams that you had showed earlier was sort of that mass and radius, and there were sort of lines drawn on it for like, if you built a planet out of this composition, so out of Earth-like material, you would have a line that goes like this, and there are a bunch of planets that sort of seem to follow that trend. There are others that are sort of less dense for their mass, that sort of follow a line as if they were composed with a large fraction of water. So these are the ones that you sometimes hear are called like water worlds. And then there are even others that are anomalously dense, that are much more massive than should be allowed for their radius if it were just sort of Earth-like, which sort of means maybe it's got a much higher iron abundance, and maybe it's just a giant ball of iron or something like that. So there are lots of crazy planets out there, and the goal is to try to measure as many of them as we can and sort of see what trends pop out.